Hey guys, what's up? Last night at 8:30 p.m. IST, Microsoft had their live event and what an event it was. They announced huge changes coming to Windows. Already I have done a video about what are the changes you're going to see in Windows 11. The link of the video is in the description. Please go and check it out. But there's more. So in this video, I'm going to be covering those. So with that said, let's begin. Starting off with the Maximize submenu, I showed you that you get 4 presets to arrange your windows, but in the live event they showed 6. I guess they were added later on. These two are the ones which were not there in the leaked build. Next is you get Microsoft Teams pre-installed with your Windows. If you use that, it can be a really handy thing for you. And right-clicking on the Teams icon will show you the recent conversations you had for a quick access. I don't know why Microsoft chose Teams instead of Skype, but this pre-installed video calling feature was a move to take on Apple's FaceTime. Next is the date and time part. I guess they didn't like the approach of showing which day it is by default. So they changed it again to date and time only. Now when you open the start menu, you get a recent recommendation. In my testing PC, I do not have any files, that's why it was hidden from me. But now I know, and you guys also know, because they have shown it in the live event. A very huge change in Windows 11 is that it will now support Android apps. All thanks to the tie-up of Amazon Store with the Microsoft Store. Windows now support Android apps, and to install an Android app, the Microsoft Store will redirect you to Amazon Store for installation of that app. And that's not it, there's more. They introduced direct storage access by graphics cards for better performance and better loading times in games. Although the game has to have it, the support for direct storage access will soon be available in a few titles. This is a great move to take on the super fast loading times we see in current generation consoles. And finally, Microsoft cleared my doubt regarding why they changed their news and interest app to Widgets. They defined it as a beautiful sheet of glass powered by AI. They didn't give the option to drag and drop on the desktop, because then just to see the widget, you would need to move a window if it's underneath a window. You can just click on the widget icon from the taskbar and get every information you need. No moving of windows. And speaking of the taskbar, I don't know whether they corrected the thing or not that you have no access to the task manager and other things you used to get in the previous version of Windows. And last but not the least, they announced some never seen before changes to Windows. If you use an external display and work on multiple displays, earlier what used to happen is when you disconnect your external display, all opened windows just cramp up on your main display, cluttering your workspace. Now what happens is when you disconnect the external display, all the work from the external display will get minimized in the taskbar. And that's not it. When you again connect your external display, it will remember the location of each task and open the same way as it was before. And speaking of changes, which are never seen before, now you can set multiple themes and wallpapers for different desktops in the task view. Windows 11 launched yesterday, but the official build is not yet available. Although they have provided a tool to check if your device is ready for the upgrade or not. And you don't need to upgrade right away when Windows 11 launches, because you get plenty of time to use it on some other device, then upgrade when you feel like upgrading. Link for the tool is also in the description. And with that said, this is the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be catching you guys in the next one, and till then, peace out.